Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate it. Now today I basically did a Sephora haul. You know, right now Sephora's doing that little interesting special. Because usually you and me are so used to the one in the spring and the one in the fall. 20% now randomly. And I think I got an email saying they're trying to do something special whatsoever. And I'm thinking it has to do with the Ulta points that they're beating them at. I don't know. Anyways, I went shopping. I did a Sephora haul. So, and it's basically a one brand U-haul that I wanted to do. Now, the brand I'm going to do, a lot of it has to do with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love their brand, and I'll let you know what I bought. So if you're interested and ready to see this 20% sale, stay tuned. Okay, so as we all know, Anastasia Beverly Hills, they're a very popular brand, especially with brows, anything with eyes. They're just fantastic, and they're one of my favorite brands. Like, my favorite eyeshadow palette is the Renaissance palette that they have, and yeah, almost hitting pant. But I went ahead and bought the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It's mostly purples and plums and has some cool colors, which I don't really own a lot of cool colors, which is one of the reasons I bought this. A lot of my palettes are warm, so it's a nice little treat. So this is what I got. And looking at the palette, and you open this up, and you see this beautiful 14 shades come up. Let me give you a closer look. You see how there's plums and some coolness and basics, and of course it comes with a brush. Usually I'm not a big fan of the utensils that comes with the makeup products, but the Anastasia, their brushes are absolutely fantastic, nice and soft and very precise, so these I keep. Now, the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their eyeshadows are fantastic. Yes, there's been controversy in the past, something's powdery, blah blah. I can tell you how to fix that. Do your eyes first. Instead of doing your face, do your eyes first. It makes life so much easier. But a lot of people look at palettes that have like a little bit of colors and some shimmers and stuff, and they're like, don't know if that'll work. Oh, I have a job, I gotta be appropriate. You can use appropriateness. There's eccentric, incense for like the crease, and you can use a little bit of, you know, there's base. And if you want to, oh, there's passion. So there is looks you can do. I can go ahead and do makeup tutorials on just neutral looks without the shimmers. If you want to see those looks, let me know, comment below, and I'd be more than happy to do those. And I'm going to show you the swatches. Okay, so here are the swatches on my hand. These are the first 8. Dream, Summer, Wild Child, Rose Gold, Base, Drama, Dazzling, and Celestial. And here are the last 6. Soul, Incense, Love, Volatile, Eccentric, and Passion. Okay, now that you've seen the swatches, you can tell they're very pigmented. They felt very soft and very creamy. It was fantastic. So I am looking forward playing more with these colors. I'll let you know my thoughts how this actually works, because the only Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes I have is this one and a Renaissance. I didn't buy the other 2, but this is one of the main purchases I bought. The next thing I bought was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter. Now, these are one of the new products that she launched. The color I went ahead and chose for the face was Peach Fizz. And I chose this one because whenever I tried to swatch the other ones in the stores, they were either too peachy, it just didn't fit. This one was the closest one that would fit better to my skin tone. And if I put it here, rub it. Look at that glow. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. Now this one I have tried. Absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to try that liquid glow. The next thing that I bought is one of her Anastasia Beverly Hills thick foundations. I've never tried any of her foundations and I thought, this is a good time to try. The color I chose is beige. You know, it's one of those thick foundations because so far the only thick foundation I like is the one from Hourglass. And this one, as you can tell, that way you know I'm not cheating. I haven't tried it yet, so I will give you my thoughts. But very excited. The next two things I got left to buy. I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I went ahead and bought it in the shade Rich Amber. I love the packaging. It's nice. It's very strong, so very fit for travel, but don't just travel with this by itself. I would say put it like in a little Ziploc bag. Ziploc, yeah. That way it's just secureness, you know. Then the next one, because I was curious, and supposedly limited edition, supposedly. It's the Endless Summer Glow. This was a collaboration with Chrissy. This is the only thing that's not Anastasia, but I can't help it. It's the Becca, and I'm going to show you why I bought it. Just look. Look. Becca has the classic little ring there, but look at the inside. Gotta learn how to open this. I cannot open the product. Hold on. Ooh! Struggling. I need oh, there we go. Woo! Surprise everywhere. Look at that sunset. I mean, look at that sunset. So I do plan to do a tutorial and a product review with just this in the future. But this just looks absolutely amazing. The highlight has the bronzer, has a little bit of the peach tone. It's beautiful. So this is not Anastasia Beverly Hills U-Haul thing that I bought. So I kind of cheated a little bit. But yeah, that's basically everything that I bought. So that was my U-Haul that I bought for the 20% from the Sephora this week. So let me know what you think. And one of the reasons I bought everything, mostly Sephora, is because I wanted to try a lot of her products. Because a lot of the products that I have tried from her, to be perfectly honest, is her eyeshadow palettes and the brow pencil. Past that, I haven't tried anything else. I know, shame. But, so I thought this was a good opportunity, 20%, you know. So, in a couple of videos, I will go ahead and do a full face beauty routine with all of her products, all the products that I bought here, and I believe I have everything. The only thing I am missing out of her line, but I looked online, like, she doesn't have a setting mask, nor does she have powder. And if she does, and I just so happen to miss it, please let me know, correct me, comment below, and let me know what it is, because I went to her site and I didn't see any of that. You know, I have her lip products and everything else, but I could not find powder or setting spray. And I don't think mascara either, but let me double check on that because I didn't see anything. But other than that, I have a full face of products that I want to go ahead and try. So let me know if you enjoyed this type of video. Like I said, this was my haul from the 20% Sephora haul. So if they keep doing these 20-30%, then you know people are gonna merge over to Sephora again. Go! So thank you so much for watching, and remember to follow me on all my social medias at Instagram, Twitter, here on YouTube at Enid Blue Singer, as well as my Facebook, and follow me on my IMDb page at Enid Lopez. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and until next time, remember, I will do a full face on these, maybe 1 or 2 videos. You'll just never know. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and once again, it has been absolutely incredible hanging out with you. All right, have a great day, and bless you.